Bigamarie ETL Cadetship Program. Full sponsorship program accredited by Marina. Here at Bigamarie, ETL cadets find common ground, sharing the goal of completing and succeeding in the program to become fully-fledged electro-technical officers. At Bigamarie, cadets are trained in marine high-voltage systems, marine refrigeration and air conditioning systems, generators and distribution systems, fire detection and alarm systems, and other subjects essential for preparing to onboard a ship. And now, let us get acquainted with each of the individuals who have worked way in from Bigamarie.
I am Rob Daniel Barola and I'm from Lucban, Quezon Province.
My name, ako, si Patrick John Coronel, taga Zamboanga City.
Ako si Jeric Mantuano and taga Lipa, Batangas ako.
I am Ito Cadet Carlo Urido from Ligao City, Albay.
I'm Jess Calisar from Bohol.
So I'm LJ Gitao po. I'm from Quezon Province.
My name is Itio Cadet Meljandahan from Tabuan Garcia Hernandez, Bohol.
I'm Joven Elganyawan from Baguio City.
I'm Itio Cadet Tremihio H. Mandoyo Jr. I'm from Zamboanga del Norte.
Because of money.
I choose seafaring because it is my dream job since I was a kid.
So seafaring kasi influence lang din ng brother ko. Currently nagbabarko siya ngayon eh. So ilang beses niyang pinilit, so ngayon nandito na ako.
Seafaring to taste the greatness of Brazil. I want to experience that one.
seafaring kasi hindi natupad yung pangako na 20 pesos per kilo na bigas.
To have more money.
Why seafaring? Hindi ako nakaipon ng unang 5 taon sa lupa, baka sa dagat.
I choose seafaring because I want to achieve financial stability and I want to help my family.
Gaya na may pangarap ako sa buhay. Ang pangarap ko sa buhay ay pumunta ng Antarctica, makatapak sa kontinentong yun.
Gigamare because Gigamare give me the opportunity to pursue my dream. Gigamare choose me. That's why I choose Gigamare.
Why Gigamare? Gigamare gives me the opportunity to change my life.
Gigamari, dahil mahal ako ng Gigamari, kaya minahal ko rin siya.
Why Gigamare? Frankly, nag-apply talaga ako sa Gigamare dati. Pero di ko pinili yung Gigamare. Tapos nung nagtatanggap ako sa NYK, pinadala pa rin ako dito. So si Gigamare ang pumili sa akin. And siguro, destiny talaga na mapapunta ako dito sa Gigamare.
So Gigamare kasi konti lang naman yung yung training center. So Gigamare yung pamanggap, nag-accept sa akin.
Because Gigamare is the only one I've applied to and accepted me.
Gigamare was the first training center that was able to accept my application.
I choose Gigamare because I believe that Gigamare is the best training center when it comes to ATO program training.
Gigamare, actually si NYK yung nag-choose ng Gigamare and I guess si Gigamare yung most competent in terms of ETO cadet program.
Napakasaya. Maraming mga experience. Parang dito lumalawak ang iyong yun ang lumalawak sa'yo.
It's quite complicating yet exciting.
Challenging, and at first it's hard, but along the way it's fun.
So training, so challenging, masaya din, tsaka in-enjoy ko lang yung training ko.
Okay naman, hindi ko siya masasabi na sobrang hirap, but rather I can say is challenging.
The training experience is happy but also sad in the first month and first week, since you are adjusting to the new environment.
It was fun because with my batchmates, everything is fun and the time is so quick.
Training in Gigamare, it's very fun and quite challenging.
So, to sum up my training, okay naman siya. Kumbaga, yung mga knowledge na natutunan sa school, sa experience ko, nadagdagan, maraming nadagdag. Pero yung physical activities, kinaya naman.
I can say that the training here in Gigamare is a little bit hard or difficult, but with the help of my batchmates, we work together, and I can say that every exercise is achievable. Yun.
So sa hirap naman, so mahirap siya lalo na sa mga assessment. Pero yun nga, nakasurvive naman tayo, so okay.
If you have fun with your batchmates and the instructors training won't be so hard. So you can you can adjust because of them. So the training won't be hard.
Hard. Siguro, ano siya, talagang pag-iisipin ka dun sa mga problems na binibigay sa'yo. Pero, kasama ko naman kayo, yung mga kaklase ko. So, yun, naging madali naman yung mga exercises na pinapagawa.
Sa tingin ko, no, yung una-una nahihirapan sa exercise talaga. Doon ako na shell shock yung tawag doon eh. Nabigla ako doon. Pero nung tapos na yun, barangkada na, parang kotse ba na, nahihirapan muna mag-start. Pero pag nag-start ng engine, umaandar na yan.
Gaano kahirap? So, parang naging challenge ko dito sa Gigamari, yung malayo sa pamilya. Parang tagal ko kasing naging nasa comfort zone. So, yun yung naging hirap and challenge ko dito sa Gigamari, yung makipagsalamuha sa iba and malayo sa pamilya.
Oh, the training was hard, but along the way I managed to accomplish the goals that I set in mind, and especially in the exercise, it's very hard. In the first 2 weeks, I didn't walk properly, but it's all good from the time being.
How hard? For me, rate out to 10, it's 5 because we came from different provinces. It's hard to, get in touch.
Very easy. Too easy.
Natutunan ko siguro yung mag-think outside the box, yung laging gumamit ng common sense sa pagto-troubleshoot.
I've learned a lot here in Gigamari, like the teamwork in troubleshooting and in doing exercises.
So, number 1 ko natutunan dito sa Gigamari kung paano makipagsalamuha sa mga tao. Kasi sa barko, ganun din daw yun eh. Yung mga iba't iba yung makakasabay mo sa barko. And, ayun. Yun lang.
Learn Gigamari. So, learn Gigamari is just having fun while we're young.
So yun, madami. Mga natuto akong mag-think outside the box. Ganun. Saka mga basic troubleshooting.
A lot, especially in electrical diagrams and motor controls and everything about electrical.
I learned a lot, most especially in motor control, overhauling, and FDAS.
Paano mag-overhaul ng motor? Yun. At marami pang iba.
Of course, very happy and at the same time excited because I'm almost there of becoming an electrotechnical officer on board. So that's all.
Nothing, because I know that being practical is being on board. Thank you.
Masaya syempre. I'm happy.
Sobrang I'm so happy because I am near to my future seafaring career. Oh, next.
Sakto lang. Kasi katapos nito, sasampa pa ng barko. Tapos baka doon mas mahirap pa.
what I feel? It's fun, yet I feel lonely because I'm Shara. Thank you, sir.
Masaya kasi malapit na akong sumahod ng dolyar.
Kaya ay parang wala nang sakit ng aking puso. Yun lang. Thank you.
Medyo malungkot eh. Kasi yung kasama mo nung halos 5 buwan, hindi mo na ulit makakasama. Yun lang. Yun lang, sir. Thank you.